I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious strawberry fudge. First, gather your ingredients: 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. You'll also need 10 ounces of mini marshmallows and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Don't forget to prepare your 9 by 13-inch pan by lining it with parchment paper for easy removal later. Now let's get cooking. In a large, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 3 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil, stirring constantly. Continue boiling for exactly 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and immediately stir in the 10 ounces of mini marshmallows until they are completely melted and smooth. Once your marshmallow mixture is smooth, it's time to add that wonderful strawberry flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of fresh strawberry puree until well combined. Quickly pour the warm fudge into your prepared 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly. Allow it to cool at room temperature, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until completely firm. After your strawberry fudge has thoroughly chilled and firmed up, it's ready to be cut and enjoyed. Carefully lift the entire block of fudge from the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into small, bite-sized squares. This delicious treat is perfect for sharing or enjoying all by yourself. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade strawberry fudge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.